Hello everyone. Today I will show you about how to insert, update, delete a list of objects in Dart programming language. So continue from the previous lesson. Firstly, I want to tell you about the underscore convention. The underscore means this method or function is private. Private means it is only run inside the class and it cannot be run outside this class. So for example, if you call this, it is impossible. It is impossible because the do something in this case is private method, or it is only called inside the class. So for example, inside this class, or inside the say hello, I can call the underscore do something function, or okay because you can access private property inside this class. Okay, and you can use this convention to define some of the private property, some of the private widgets, the private function. It means that it is only used inside or internal property, internal method. Okay. So now I define a list of car on array of car. The convention here is we use the plural form. The plural form, not singular form. Singular form is used for defining a variable, and plural forms is used to define an array. And here I run the program again and define a class. The class here is a list or an array of car, and it is a blank list. The blank list means that you don't have any item inside the list, and you can add more objects inside the list by using add to insert the object one by one. So here we have 3 objects cars. We use add and we print. We use the print function to add a print here, and you set a breakpoint to this line, and the breakpoint allows you to run the debugger. You press to debug and the program will run and stop at the breakpoint here and wait you to see some of the property inside. You can click to the cars of array and you see every object inside the list, the detail object inside the list. And then you can also add many objects inside the list by copy and paste this inside the list and remove unnecessary code. Okay, it is good. And you debug again the program. You press the debug button again to debug the program, and here the program will stop at the at the breakpoint, and you click to the cars object and you can see every car inside this. And this is a very common work you do in the programming, because debugging a program is very important and is quite necessary when you do everything with programming. You can iterate the list of car by using for each. Inside the for each we have an anonymous function with the argument here is every car inside the list or each car inside the list. I print the car detail. So after adding the debugger and press debug to run the program and stop it here, we can see the detail car list by move your mouse to the object and see the detailed object information. Okay. We can replace the hello string by cars, and the car is list object, and you have to convert to string by toString function, toString method. Run the program again. Yes, so here we see the output. Here is a list of objects, a list of car. We have many objects of car here. And now I want to sort the list by year production, sort by ascending, sort by descending, or sort by from small to higher, and from higher to small. Yes, we use the function sort, and inside the sort we have we see an anonymous function with two car. Here we have a two car inside the list, and the return value for this comparator, for this function here, is 0, -1, and +1. Okay, we have 3 value, and we can return to the year production of car 1 minus year production of car 2. So here sort ascending, and vice versa, and we inverse by change this to car 2 minus car 1, and the sort here is sort descending. Yeah, so the bigger is top, and smaller. Okay, we call this is sort ascending. Yes, sort descending. Yeah, from bigger to smaller mean descending. Okay. Reload the program again, and okay, and now I want to sort by name. You can sort by sum of property. Now sort by year production, and now I want to sort by name. Name is string, and we sort by alphabet. Yes, we sort by alphabet, not value. We do similarly, but here the comparison is the compare between this string to another string, or string name of car 1 to the string property of name of car 2. Okay, we use compare to function. So in this case, I have Mercedes-Benz C class C300. Okay, etc. So here I can sort by name. Yes, by sort ascending from A, B, C to Z, and sort descending means sort from Z to A. And how to update? I want to change the value or to update an existing item in the list. This is quite simple. You can access directly to the list and change the value directly. Okay, you can change by car 0, the item 0, the year production of item 0, 2015. Yes, you can change this very easy by change every property value. You change every property value. Okay. Yes, and restart to perform reloading. Yes. Okay, so we have many objects inside the list to display, to show you detail about the list. Okay, and how to filter? Filter mean we only remove some of the object with the specific conditions. So we use where function mean that the condition to filter. So inside this we use a function or lambda expression. This is called a lambda expression, mean that a function or one line function mean a lambda expression. So here we only sort we only filter the car which has the year of production is 2020, yes, and convert the result to list. Yes. So we ask the result to an array of filtered car. Filtered car is a result array. Yes, and here the condition here is year production is equal to 2020. Okay, now, and we can add more condition here by using and. Yes, so and car name contain the car name is contain the car name is contain AMG. Okay, so here we have only one. So in this case I do okay. So the year production here is 2000. Year is here, and the name contain AMG. Okay, good. There is a condition we can change using the two uppercase. Yeah, the two uppercase mean we convert the name to uppercase and compare to the output value. Yes, so here we can see, yes, message AMG. Okay, good. Okay, so now if you want to delete an item using filter also used to delete an item inside the list. Okay, so here it means that I delete the object with name is Mercedes Maybach S-Class Salon. Okay, so we can see the output like here. Okay, and run again. Yes, so in this case we only has the list except the Mercedes Maybach S-Class Salon. Okay, so we can define a list of string. It means I only get the name to a list of string name. So in this case I use map. The map function as the map function is the same as with the previous lesson. We use the map, yes, to convert from a list of object type A to a list of object type B. Yes, and here we display to see the output. Okay, so we can map the list of object to the map to the list of string contain, and you can also iterate the names using for each. Yes, and we print every string inside the list of string by here print now. Yes, and run again to see the output result. Okay, here. So this is very easy to work with iterating. Don't use for loop, please use void. Voice is better. Okay, so it is the end of my lesson today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again.